Hey guys, so I have this juicer from Vibe. Okay, it's by, I think, Obi Cubana launched it. I saw his post and decided to go pick up one to see how this works. So let's quickly unbox this together. I'm going to put it to a test. I have my pineapples already cut off, so I'm going to test this, but let's see what it looks like first. Okay, so it says Vibe big tube 4.9-inch slow juicer. Okay, so let's bring it out. Okay, so inside here we have the manual. Okay, we have the manual. Okay, so let's just take this off. Okay, there's a toothbrush here. This is the cup. I think one is for the pulp, one is for the pulp, and the other one is for the juice. The small one should be for the pulp, and then this should be for the juice. Okay, I'm coming. Let me just take it out first, and then we have this, the pusher. Okay, so we're going to quickly do a quick unboxing to see how this works. It's quite portable and it looks cute. Okay, so this is the pusher. I'm going to clean it now and we'll test it out. So this is the plug. This is what it looks like. This is the brush for washing it, the cup, the pulp, and this cup is for the, so let's see how it works. So it's quite easy to use. Okay, we open this. This is the auger, so it's quite easy to use. This is the auger. Okay, just make sure that you place it there. This side brings out the juice, this side brings out the pulp. Make sure you insert your auger into it. And then this is for this. There's a reason why I really like this one. The strainer, the mesh strainer, you can't actually use this. You cannot use this for sorbet. Okay, for sorbet ice cream, but you can use it for juicing. It's basically for juicing, and I like the fact that this net for juicing, the strainer from inside the juicer, is not removable. So I have other brands that you have to remove it. Okay, so if you also look in here, you see that there's something here. I don't know, more like something that will blend it or grind it first before it gets to your auger. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see that? Can you see clearly? It looks like something that's going to first crush or grind. It's not really sharp, but it's going to help to grind it first or crush it before it now gets to your auger. Okay, so let me just clean it and then I'm going to try it out. Okay, so just before we start blending, this is what it looks like. The engine, this is what it looks like. It's so petite and cute. It has the off button, it has the on and the reverse button. This is what it looks like. It's cute and very petite. Okay, so that's that about that. And then the jar. Okay, this is what it looks like. It has the net, okay, the sieve for the juice. Okay, for this juicer you can only use it to make fruit juice. You can't use it for sorbet ice cream. So this is what it looks like, and it's super cute. The bowl, the jar is not too big, okay, and it's not too slim. So it has something like a grinder that helps to grind your fruit first before passing it into this other jar that has this is the auger. This is the auger or auger. This is what it looks like. So it now passes it here, and this now does the finishing work before it now brings out your juice from here and your shaft from here. So it's pretty easy to assemble, and I will show you that quickly. Over here you can see one arrow down, and over here you can see this arrow. So it tells you to put it down straight and lock it to the right. So you put it down like this, the arrow, make sure it's coming this way. Okay, and turn it right. If you don't fix it like this, it will not stay. You can see this one is not removing. Okay, if you fix it like this, it's not going to stay, it's be removing. But you come down, let the arrow face this place, let it face this arrow here, and then you turn it to the right. So we are done fixing that. You can see how fast that is. And the next thing you are going to do is to place the juice part, the part that will bring out the juice. Just slide it down and then twist it to the right. Did you see that? Twist it to the right. Okay, so we are good to go now. The next thing is for us to add the cups. Okay, so we have this cup here for the juice here, and then we have the next cup here on this side for this So I'm going to have to turn it so that you can see what I'm doing. Oops, never to the lights. Okay, so now that I've assembled it and it was so easy to do, I'm now going to lift it this way so that you can see what I am doing. You know, we're trying to see we're trying to see how this works fine. Okay, so you place it like this and you place this one here. It's now time for me to load my juicer. Okay, so load it however you like. I'm not going to overfill it, and see, I didn't cut it too tiny or too big because it's my first time and I just want to see how effective the juicer works, and I think this is good to go. So I'm now going to start it. We're turning it on, so you turn it to the right. Sorry for the break in transmission. As I was recording, you would not believe what happened. My mic went off, so I had to just grab another mic to continue this review. So at this point, I was so shocked. I mean, I was literally screaming because in about 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, the cup was full and I had to open it to, pour out the juice into the cup. And I was surprised because for someone who has used two different juicers, this one was kind of like the fastest for the cup to get filled up. And it was just kind of surprising. I was excited. So you can see, if you look at it now, I opened it and then I added more pineapples to the jar. Okay, I kind of filled it. I covered it, and in 10 seconds, if not, yeah, 10 or 11 seconds, the jar got filled up. I intentionally didn't forward this part so that you can check the time yourself. Look at it. The jar is filled again, and look at it. I opened it the second time. And this was just so exciting for me because, I mean, who wants to waste so much time just because you want to juice? This juice is really good, like with speed. When it comes to the speed, I love it. I love it so much because it juices really fast. And I guess it's because of um the crusher inside. I don't know, is it a crusher? Is it a blender? Is it, I don't know, but there's just something inside there that just crushes it before it passes it on to the auger. Okay, and the auger finishes the job. I love the speed at which the juicer gets out the juice from the fruit, and I also love the fact that it's portable and it's easy to assemble, easy to clean. And for the price, this is a very good juicer for the price. There's no hype about this at all. So if you're looking for an affordable juicer for your weight loss journey and whatnot, I think this is a good buy. It will get the job done. And this is not a paid advert, okay? As I was recording, I didn't know my mic went off, but it's all good. Thank God I still have pineapples here that I can show you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it. It's smooth, fairly smooth, but it has a little bit of shaft in there. So if you don't want your juice with the shaft, then you can sieve it. You can sieve it out. I'll show you what the shafts that I get from this one. So, but if you don't mind, maybe you want your juice with the shaft, then you can go ahead and leave it inside. But the shaft that came out is not much at all, and I'm just going to show you. So I'm just sieving this out for it to be smooth, and this is what I got. I haven't pressed it anyways, but now I have a very clear juice, okay, without any shaft. I'm just going to set this aside, and then I'm going to move over to blending the pineapples again, but this time around I want to add some ginger to it. Okay, trust me, I was saying something when I was saying something earlier. So I have ginger here. I've tried it with pineapples and it worked perfectly. In fact, the speed at which this juiced these pineapples is really fast. Okay, so I'm adding in my gingers now. Okay, let me add my pineapples first, and then I have some tangerine too. Tangerine, or what is it called? I'm adding that also. My hands are clean, and this is my ginger. I'm going to go ahead and add more of the pineapples. Okay, so I'm actually going to fill it up so that we can see how effective it is. It's not effective it is. It's not I didn't overfill it, but I filled it up. And I just want you guys to take note of how this is going to blend. So let's juice this. You can see that it's full. Please take note of the timing. I'm not going to fast forward this. Just let's see how fast it juice this and how effective the juicer is. It's already crushing, so the pulp comes out from there. The pulp comes out from this side. The juice comes out from this side. And in my opinion, I think it juices really fast, really fast. I have the pusher here, but I've not even had any reason to push down on it. I've not had any reason to push down on it. I want to see if it can juice the ginger, and you can see it's juicing really fast. I like it. It's portable. It can take enough quantity of your fruits. It's not too big, okay, like the other juicers I have, but it's full now, and I'm just going to open this and then we'll continue juicing. I think one advantage that this juicer has is that thing on top, the crusher in this jar, the crusher in this jar. It crushes your fruits first before passing it to the auger, and then the auger does the finish work of crushing it. Okay, so if for any reason you feel it's stuck, you can use this to just push it around. See what I'm doing? Just push it around with this. Right now it's not hot. It's not hot. I wanted to know if it would get hot, but it's not hot right now. Okay, I'm using this to just move things around so that it picks up, especially the ginger. You can see as it's squeezing it out, you can see it's pouring out. As it's squeezing it out, it's coming out. The pulp is coming out. I'm really particular about the ginger. I want to see how it would crush the ginger. It's going to pick the ginger and then crush it. You can see that it's almost full. It's not hot at the moment, but it's already full. So let me stop it. Let's open this up. So what we have last in here is the ginger and the pineapple, just a little bit more. So let's see. It's still getting the juice out, funny enough. And you can see the pulp is still coming out. Surprisingly, I can still see juice coming out of it. But over here, it has stopped because there's really nothing for it to. So I have to use the pusher to press it down so that it can grind it. I'm going to stop it now. Open up this side. I'll open it up, and then I want to show you this side. Okay, I think he did a good job. Can you see? He did a good job at crushing the fruits. He didn't waste the fruit, but I want to bring out this and just see. And I have skewer there, so I'm going to use my skewer to really get in there so that nothing is blocking the way. But he did a wonderful job for the price. Wow, he did a wonderful job. And a lot of juicers have issues juicing pineapples, especially soft pineapples, and these pineapples I used are soft, they're not even hard, and this juicer did a wonderful job. So far so good for the price. I am quite impressed. I'm not even going to lie. I am impressed for the price. I'm impressed. I opened it up to move things around just to see how it would blend. If it would blend the remaining fruits in there, although it's actually it's crushed, but let's just see if it would juice it. Wow, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Wow, you can see it won't waste your fruits, and your fruit would not really get stuck like that, as long as you have something that you can use to push it out of the way. You understand? And if this doesn't get to it, you can always stop it. You can stop it, open it up. You can open it up and then use this to just take it out of the. But in my opinion, it did a wonderful job for the price. This is a very good juicer. It's not even hot yet, so. And that is not to say that you should overuse or overwork your juicer, but for the price, this juicer did a very good job, and I'm quite impressed. So I'm just going to sieve out everything that we got. Okay, I'm going to sieve it into this bowl so that you can see what we got now. This is the shaft that we got. Okay, that's the shaft, and this is the juice. So if you want your juice with the pulp, fine, but if you don't want it with the pulp, even with my other juicers that I have, the two juicers that I have, I still have to strain it one last time, and you can use your rubber spatula to press on it so that you can get out all the juice from the pulp. So I'm going to grab my rubber spatula now to press on it so that I can get out all the pulp, all the juice from the pulp. Okay, something like this. Just make sure it's clean, and there you go. So this is what we have now from this juice, and then the already strained juice, this is it. I'm just going to turn it all up into one bowl. So right now I just want us to check. I want to see how much of juice we still have left here. So if you ask me, if I take the shaft, let's squeeze the shaft and see how much juice we have left. You can still find some juice in it. So it's not like it to give you a totally dry pulp. So for something like this, you can still use the pulp for something else, maybe for your zobo or for your tea and all of that. But for the price, I think this juicer did a good job. They did a good job. Trust me, I have other juicers, and comparing this with them and the price, I think this did it for me. It's good enough for me. Okay, so this is all the juice we got from the two pineapples. Okay, and I'm just going to pour some here for a reason actually. So I have my glass jar here, and I have my ice here. I'm just going to add a little bit of ice into the jar, and then I'm going to add my juice to it, just because I cannot wait for the juice to chill. So okay, I think this is okay now, and I'll go ahead and just pour in my juice into it. Freshly juiced pineapple, or I think that is fine. And then I'll add this. Oops. So this is what we have now. I just added my ice into it and I put it here. Let me have a taste, guys. Mm, so refreshing. If you ask me what I think about this Vibe juicer for just 130,000 naira, I would give it a solid 8 over 10 for the price and the job well done. I mean, take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this. Can you see? He did a good job. He really did waste the fruits, and I mean, I got this much from it. You can see the juice. Mm. Just two pineapples gave us this. What do you guys think? Have you tried it out? Are you gonna try it? Are you gonna get it? Let me know what you think, guys. I love you. Bye. Vibe. It's a vibe. Vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe.